Let's face it, finding happiness right now seems pretty hard with all of the things that are going on in the world. If you're struggling, you're not alone, but there is hope. My name is Tamara Knapp-Gross, and I'm the Director of Counseling and Testing. And I want to tell you about a new weekly drop-in workshop that Counseling and Testing will be offering starting September 10th. It's called Finding Happiness, and we will meet from 1 to 2 p.m. online. Each week, we're going to learn and practice a simple strategy that comes from positive psychology that hopefully will help you to feel a sense of increased happiness. You can drop in each week or whenever you can. You can bring a friend or you can come by yourself. It is online and it's really easy, and we hope to see you there starting this fall. Take care.